Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function max. Hi Python developers. Today we're talking about the max function, a versatile built-in tool for finding the largest value in an iterable or among multiple arguments. By the end of this video, you'll know how max works, when to use it, and how to make the most of its features. Let's get started. What is max? It's a Python built-in function that returns the largest item in an iterable or the largest of two or more arguments. Here's the possible syntax. We can use max with an iterable. We can provide a key and a default. Or we can use max and list various arguments that we want to find the max for. We could also provide a key. The first form works with an iterable, like a list, tuple, or a set. The second form works with two or more arguments provided directly. If you provide an optional key, you need to give it a function that defines the criteria for comparison. Another optional argument is default, which provides a value to return if the iterable is empty. Why use max? It's designed to quickly identify the largest value based on natural ordering or custom criteria. Key concepts include: if no key is provided, it compares values based on their natural order. If a key is provided, max uses it to compute a value for comparison. You can handle empty iterables gracefully using the default parameter. You'd use the max function when you're finding the largest number or string in a collection, perhaps when you're identifying the maximum element based on specific criteria, or when you're handling cases where the iterable might be empty and you might need a fallback value. Let's start with a simple example, finding the largest number in a list. Here, max returns 50, the largest number in the list. Max can also compare multiple arguments directly. In this case, max compares the provided arguments and returns the largest value, 35. Max works with strings too, comparing them lexicographically. Here, max determines that cherry is lexicographically the largest string. With the key parameter, you can customize the comparison criteria. Let's see an example. Here we set the key equal to length. So the max function uses the length function as the key, returning the longest word, in this case, banana. To avoid errors with empty iterables, use the default parameter. In this example, max returns the default value, no items, because the iterable is empty. Here are some important points about the max function. It works with both iterables and multiple arguments. Use the key parameter for custom comparison logic. Always handle potential empty iterables using the default parameter to avoid runtime errors. And that's the max function. To recap, it finds the largest value in an iterable or among multiple arguments. It supports custom comparison with the key parameter. It's a simple, powerful tool for identifying maximum values in Python. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!